Hello, dear students. A very warm Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Now, today we will start with our new topic, that is ratio and proportion. So, this is included in our final term. So, what we understand or what you know about ratio? Okay, first of all, we will discuss about ratio. So, what ratio is? Ratio is nothing but the ratio means to compare two things of the same kind means we have the ratio means we when there is a comparison between two things, but it should be of the same kind. You cannot compare any persons or number of person with rupees or uh, unit of length to amount of money. Okay, so it should be the kind should be same. Now, for example, now see, I am going to share the screen. Try to understand. Okay. For example, see, like here there is, in a class there is 20 students or 20, you can say, girls. Okay, 20 girls, and boys, you can say they are boys, 25 boys. Okay, then what will be the ratio of this ratio? First of all, the symbol for ratio is this colon is the, this is the symbol for ratio. Okay, now what is the we can say that the ratio of number of girls to boys we can write is as 20 is to 25. Okay, so 20 is to 25. One properties of ratio, student, is that ratio, the comparison should be with the same kind. So number of boys and number of boys and girls we can compare. Okay, so 20 is to 25. And one more very important thing is that the ratio must always be in simplest form. Simplest form means it should be further there should not be divisible, there should not be any common divisor between the two. So this ratio we can write like this also, 20 by 25. Okay, 20 by 25. So by cancelling out with 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So here it will be 4 by 5. So this we can write in the ratio, we can write 4 is to 5. So the ratio of girls to boy is 4 is to 5 is the answer. So in this way we can find ratio. Okay, so now I hope this can help you for to complete your exercise, that is exercise 1. Okay, now next we will see equivalent ratio. What is equivalent ratio? By the terms equivalent, what we can understand, students, see, equivalent ratio. Okay, equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio means that are same. Okay, like with one example I'll give you. See here, 1 by 2. Okay, these, and 3 by 6. After that you can say 4 by 8. All these are equivalent ratio. Okay, are equivalent ratio. Now you might be thinking that how it will be equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio means, see, once after finding the simplest form, it should be the same. Here you can see this 1 by 2, it is in the simplest form only. After that you can see that this, when we will cancel out this 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, it will come, the simplest form will be 1 by 2 only. Again here you can see here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. The simplest form will be 1 by 2 means. So this, after cancelling out these this fractions, okay, these ratios, it will come on a same, like the simplest form will be same as 1 by 2. So that is why we can say these as equivalent fractions. So one more thing, student, if one simplest form is given to you, suppose here 3 by 4 simplest form is given to you, and it has been asked you to find the equivalent for means two more equivalents, then what we will do, we will simply multiply with the same number both to the numerator and to the denominator also. Like you can see the next one by 1, if I will multiply both with this 1, then it will be the same number. So better if I will multiply with this with 2, like 3 into 2, and here also 4 into 2, then it will be 6 by 8. Okay, so 6 by 8 is the next equivalent after 3 by 4. Again by multiplying this with again by 3, again by multiplying this with 3 into 3, again here 4 into 3. So next equivalent will be 9 by 12. This is so the after 3 by 4, 6 by 8, then 9 by 12. These are the next two equivalent numbers of 3 by 4. We have to multiply to numerator and denominator of this number with the same number. Okay, with of this fraction or this ratio with the same number to the numerator and the denominator to get the corresponding equivalent fraction. Okay, so equivalent fraction, or you can say equivalent ratio. Okay, so student, dear student, I hope you can easily do this question number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and also till 7 you have to complete. Now if any kind of query you have, you can send me a message. One I'll show you, like if you have problem in find the ratio of the following in question number 6. See, in question number 6 we can do 81 to 108, 98 to 63. It is given 33 to 121 and 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Quite very easy. Like number C, I'll do 33 kilometer, and here 121 kilometer. So 11 3 is 33. Here 11 ones are 11, 11. So the and kilometer cancel out. So here the answer will be 3 by 11. It means 3 is to 11 is the ratio. Now a very important thing, student, that ratio has no unit. Ratio has no unit, as no unit. Okay, try to remember this, that ratio has no unit, no meter kilometer. Why? Because it will since the comparison is between the same things, comparison is between the same kind will get cancelled out. So there is no need of unit in case of ratio. Okay, so this is all about this question number 6. And next question number 7 one I am doing, because in question number 7, student, you can see that their units are not same. In number 1 minutes, then it is hour, then centimeter, meter. So what you need to do, you have to make them in the same unit. Now by converting by converting them into their so that it will come into the same unit. Like in number 1, 30 minutes to 150, so 1.5 hour. So 30 minutes let it be, and 1.5 hour, like 1 point, it is 5 hours. So how we can convert this hour into minute? 1.5 into 60, sorry, 1.5 into 60. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be it will 36. Okay, the answer will be 90 minutes. isn't it? So here 30 minutes, here it will be 90 minutes. Here it is decimal. So ratio will be ratio of 30 by 90. This 0 0 cancel out. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So ratio will be 1 is to 3. So in this way you have to complete till question number 7. I hope you got the how you have to convert these things, and you have to bring it with the same unit, and after that you have to cancel it out. Your ratio has no units, then you have to convert those fraction into in the form of ratio you have to write. Okay, so complete this exercise, student. Next we will discuss whatever is left. Okay, thank you.